All right, here we have the floating fire refreshment table from Leisure Activists. This is a portable unit. It was first made for boats to be on a pontoon to extend your evening, but this can be taken off the boat. The handles are right here on the side. This can be taken out on the dock, out in the parking lot, out tailgating, whatever you want to do with it. It's a very safe unit. It's all self-contained. There's a 20-pound tank inside. The control panel is located over here on this end, and the safety latch is right here on this end. This is so that you don't just, so when you're using this and the fire's going, you're not just picking the lid up. Once this is latched, you won't be able to pick that up. You just pull up on the tab and it picks up. And so we'll go right now into lighting it. When you light it, you want to make sure that your shut-off valve over here on your control panel is off. Do that right now. It's off. This lid locks down because it's got decorative glass beads inside. So right now it's locked, and you want it locked when you pick this up so they don't spill all over. The 20-pound tank is in here, and so to turn it on, we've made sure that our control panel is in the off position. You turn your tank on, bring this back down, make sure it's latched with your safety latch, and you can unlock this lid. You can see. Alright, so this is unlocked. We'll set this over here. This lid has all the warnings, lighting instructions, everything you need for that. Alright, because we've lifted up the lid, you want to move your glass beads back into position because they'll unsettle when you pick your lid up. Alright, we've got all of our glass beads back down in. This is an electrode right here. There's an igniter button over here on the side. When you push this, you want to make sure that your electrode is clear of any of the beads. Make sure that it's working. That's working. So we've already turned our tank on. We turn our control panel on over here. Get the gas. At the same time, hit the button. And it lights up. And this is a 40,000 BTU fire. It will keep you on the lake as long as you want. We're out on our lake with about 65 degrees, maybe midnight, with just t-shirts on when we're using this thing, because it's a pretty warm fire. It puts off a lot of light. This has got a stainless steel pan. This is an aluminum surround to dissipate the heat, so it doesn't get hot. You know, you can touch it right here. That fire is warm, trust me. But this right here is, like I say, it's aluminum. And this is the floating fire refreshment table. Okay, I'm going to shut it off now. For shutting it off, just go back over here, control panel, turn the knob, gas goes out. And then wait for your flame to completely go out. When you're done, the nice thing about this is it's not for cooking. So when you're done with your evening, you're not worried about a grease fire. You're not worrying about you know, debris and grease and flammable things in your beads. You let that cool off for a couple minutes, maybe 15-20 minutes. You can put your lid on. Lid goes this way. Put your lid on. Lock it. Use your safety latch, pick your lid back up, turn your gas off, and you are done.